Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys have been well. I hope you guys have been great. We're going to jump straight into the video for this week. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 2018 favorites. Everything that I have been loving, everything that I have been using. I've been actually using all of this stuff. So this is skincare, hair care, and fragrances. If you guys want me to do other stuff like this, let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see, and I will supply. So we'll jump straight into the video. We've got my little clear bag here full of all my favorites. So I guess we'll start off first with the fragrances. Alright, so I've been having a lot of people asking me about what I've been wearing. I've had a lot of people say, oh, you smell nice, blah, blah. So what I have been wearing since the start of the year is Missguided Babe Power. Let me just show it to you guys. Okay. So I have been loving Missguided Babe Power. It's amazing. It smells like baby powder, but it's like funky baby powder. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's fruity, it's floral, it's baby powdery. It's really, really nice. It's a great everyday sort of smell that can, and it sort of lingers into your own smell, so it's quite different for each person. I like to pair this with a few other things. I always mix my fragrances. I don't just wear one. I like to mix this with the Rihanna Rebel Fleur, and it ends up smelling nice. So this is what I have been wearing, and I have been loving it. My favorites in terms of hair, obviously you guys know the Sheer Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. If you guys don't know that this is one of my favorites, you obviously haven't been watching enough of my hair videos, because this is pretty much what I use all the time now. It's amazing, it's really nice, it smells amazing, it smells delicious, and yeah, it's really good. It's 30 bucks. It's a bit pricey here in Priceline. They sell it for 30 bucks. If you manage to catch them on a 50% off, go you. That's what I tried to catch. I'm waiting for their next 50% off so I can buy this again. But otherwise, I've been really, really loving this. We had a love-hate relationship at the start because, you know, I was using too much and stuff. But now I think I got it. We love each other. We live in harmony. And she managed to make it as one of my favorites. Second hair favorite is obviously jojoba oil. I'm using the Organic Suku cold pressed jojoba oil, and I've been loving it. I use this on my nails, I use this on my face, I use this everywhere. I use this in my hair. I've been really, really loving jojoba oil for an all around body oil. Jojoba oil is actually a lot better for you than coconut oil in terms of your skin and stuff. I talked about this before in my other video, that jojoba oil is the closest oil to your natural skin sebum, which means that it just soaks it up straight away. Your skin just soaks it up and it doesn't clog your pores or anything like that, like coconut oil. Jojoba oil, you are one of my favorites. I've been really, really loving this. By the way, everyone, nothing in this video is sponsored. These are all my favorites and all stuff that I have been using. In terms of skincare, I've been loving, I don't know, I feel like I'm really, really old to this, Biore pore strips. I have been loving them. Like, they really do the job. It's not something you do every single week or like twice a week. It's something that you maybe do once a month or so, once every 3 weeks or something. It makes my nose feel so clean and so refreshed and so nice, and I love how it has a bit of a pepperminty smell. You guys know that I use the soap as well, the Biore soap. Unfortunately, I don't have the box, and like the soap is in a little, like, it's this big now because I need to buy a new one. That's another one of my favorites, the Biore charcoal soap bar. You guys know I've been raving about this. It's amazing. It's charcoal, it's got peppermint. It just leaves your skin feeling so refreshed. Last but not least, and I have fallen in love with a new product. Yes, I used to be with the Aesop and whatnot, but Aesop is expensive, and once you get your skin on expensive products, it thrives expensive stuff, and if you cannot continue to supply it, your skin will have a temper tantrum. That's pretty much what happened to me. I was using Aesop, it ran out, and then I got to the point where I can't buy all of the stuff straight away, so I had to start using other stuff, and my skin just broke out. My skin had a temper tantrum. To this day, I'm still trying to get my skin back to normal and stuff, but I found a really good alternative that is just at par with Aesop, but obviously doesn't have the price tag. The price tag is so affordable. I was so shocked by the quality of the product and the price tag. It is Sukin. It's an Australian brand, so I'm not sure whether it's available for everybody else, but rosehip oil is one of my top. I got this in like December, end of November, December, but it has become my favorite. This is my #1 for my 2018 favorites. It is rosehip oil. Obviously, you can get whatever rosehip oil you want. Priceline was having 50% off on Sukin products, so that's why I ended up getting this one, and it works just fine. Let me tell you something. I'll insert a little picture of me, of the conversation between me and my friend about rosehip oil. I told her to buy it, she bought it, and she was shook. I bought it, I was shook. It's a bit expensive, it's 20 bucks, but it's 20 bucks and it's like this big. And I know some of us may be saying, really, is it worth it? But let me tell you something, it is magic in a bottle. It is holy oil, to be honest. Rosehip oil does so much for your skin. It just helps rebalance your skin. It fades dark spots gradually. It just is perfect for your skin. It's amazing for your skin. It's used in a lot of products, but obviously in a smaller quantity. The way that I use it is I use it very lightly in the morning before I put on my moisturizer. So I wash my face, going with my witch hazel, put a little bit of this on around my face, let it soak in, then I'll go in with my moisturizer, then I'll go in with my sunscreen. The way that I use it at night is I wash my face, but instead I put heaps on, and I literally lather my face with the rosehip oil, and that's all I put on, and I go to sleep. Your skin wakes up and it is like it has soaked everything up. It is so hydrated. It is so nice. If you're really into wanting to step your skin game up, get yourself some rosehip oil and you'll be shocked by what it can do. Like, honestly. Second favorites is the Sukin blemish control category. I've recently come up with this this collection of blemish control products, and there's 4 of them. There's the toner, the wash, moisturizer, and the spot treatment. This spot treatment, let me tell you something. This spot treatment is fire. It is absolute fire. I put this on the day that I bought it. I put it on because I was struggling with some really bad pimples after my exams. I bought this. I did some research on it. I was like, you know what, let me buy it. Sukin, you're having 50% off. Let me try you out. I was shocked. Literally the next day, the pimple was decreased, like legit in half. This works really well, and again, Sukin is 100% vegan, carbon neutral. Like, it's just friendly for all the hipsters out there. Why are you not focusing? Can you please focus? You're struggling, aren't you? There we go. So I'm really loving Sukin, the brand. The spot treatment, if you struggle with spots here and there, this is your best friend, and it's really affordable as well. And it's got like herbal stuff, so it's got things like eucalyptus, tea tree oil. It's not the acid, so it's not like salicylic acid, this, that. It's all organic stuff. It's just leaves but it does the job. It's really good. This is the best one that I found thus far, and I was so shocked. That's why I ended up going back and buying the moisturizer for my skin. This is oil free. My skin is loving this. This has been magic. These 2, these 3, Sukin has become one of my go-to. Is now the skincare that I'm using. They also do conditioners and shampoos and other things like that, and body stuff. So if you guys want me to try the hair stuff out a little bit more, let me know in the comment section and I can, you know, do that for you guys. And then lastly is the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. Let me show you guys this. This is amazing. I love it. It's great for all skin types. It's pigmented, so it's really good for us. We don't get a white cast when we put it on and stuff. It's so good for those of us who have sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. If I use normal sunscreen or some other sunscreens made for the face, I will break out everywhere. But this, I haven't broken out while using it. It like blends in so well with my skin. You don't get a white cast. It's just amazing, especially now because we're in summer. It's hot, you know. You want to protect yourself. We all have to protect ourselves regardless of whether we've got melanin or no melanin. You need to protect your skin. Your dark spots will get darker. You'll get more dark spots if you don't. So make sure that, you know, you're wearing sunscreen in this sun. So those are my 2018 favorites. I hope you guys like some of them, or if you use some of them, let me know. If you want to try some of them, let me know, and let me know what your 2018 favorites were. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like the video and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next week.